eating whipped cream. Yeah, this is the morning at camping. Yes, be the advertising person. Whipped cream is good for you. Eat it like this. God, I almost messed the cup. Perfect. Want some? That's her 5th cup. 5th cup of whipped cream. I'm not hyper at all. That was hilarious. Now, who wants to go camping with us? Well, sorry, we already left, so, next time. I totally missed it. Last night, we had a party in the RV in here. And then we had a party down the street. Yeah, we were like jerking down the street, and then some kids were like, wow. And we had glow sticks on our arms and our ankles. Want to see them? 1 second, I gotta eat some whipped cream first. Whoa, oh! You got hurt. Just to let you know. Chocolate on my face. These were our glow sticks. I wonder if they still
Okay, so this one
on
cold.
Candace's, it's freezing. This one on Candace's, it broke and it got on her jacket.
Want to see?
Because she threw it across.
Yellow. Can't see
It
it.
looks like pee.
It's right there. It's gross. It's so gross.
It smells gross too. And then these 2 were on our wrists. And these 2 were on our ankles. Oh my gosh, I just got whipped cream on me. I love whipped cream. Oh, look at the little... Is that him? Is that him? No, that's not him. Yeah, that is him. No, it's not. Jeez, he's
Look
small.
at the cute puppy.
Oh, God. He thinks we're crazy. He stops and he looks at us like,
His puppy's cute.
I yell out the window, your puppy's adorable!
Close it.
Anyways, we're still video. Didn't even know so we were still not.
Whipped cream.
Oh, mine has still has hot chocolate in it, so I can't turn it over.
I'll do this.
Oh yeah, whipped cream. I'm gonna be sick. It's Santa! I'm gonna be sick and I'm not gonna be able to eat.
Exactly, so stop.
Uh-huh. Bullshit, you can.
Hey, we do have bacon. There's beer. Did you want beer?
She's not gonna. Oh my gosh, it was on my nose.
Beer. Just kidding. Where's my cups? Give me, give me my cup.
I don't have it.
That's it.
No, it's not.
One.
This is mine.
Exactly. Then give me my back.
Now you're a scream.
Give me this. Who wants to go camping with us next time?
No!
Ah! I got some.
Want some?
Nah, I'm good.
Take
I should probably
some.
stop.
Take some. I'm getting sick.
That's why you don't finish. What the heck? She has my cup!
I know, I showed him.
This is over.
No, it's not.